Are you thinking about getting into mountain riding, or maybe a family member or friend is? Here are my top 5 new sleds that you can order in 2024 that would be really good for a new rider.
While smaller sleds such as the M400 Blast from Arctic Cat and the RMK Evo from Polaris may be good options for younger or smaller riders, today we're going to focus on full-sized, fully capable 600 class mountain sleds. While you may be tempted to buy an 850, they are very high output engines, somewhere in the range of 160 to 165 horsepower. The 600 class engines these days are in the 125 to 130 horsepower range. For a new rider, or even experienced riders, this level of power will get you into the areas you want to go, but will still be a ton of fun to ride, and you will have a much easier time managing your throttle inputs. You'll also have a much easier time developing your technique. With big power, quite often you can just point the sled up the hill, grab a handful of throttle, and you're at the top with very little effort. On a 600, you need to be much craftier with your route. You may need to take multiple attempts, but this can be part of the fun and help you progress as a rider. Number 5. The all-new Arctic Cat M600 and the new Catalyst platform with low center of gravity has been released for 2024. Powered by the 600 CTEC 2, narrow 36-inch ski stance, and 3-inch track with the Alpha 1 rail and the skid, this new machine from Arctic Cat has received positive reviews, with riders agreeing that it is fun to ride and has predictable handling. Pre-orders have sold out, so keep an eye on Yamaha's launch on March 14th to see if they will also use the Catalyst platform on their Mountain Max in 2024.
So many stucks that day. Give this video a like.
In 4th place is the 2024 Skidoo Adrenaline. With the 600R returning to the lineup for 2024, riders now have a more affordable, reliable, but still powerful engine choice. Upgrade to the shot starter to save energy from pull starting the sled, and go for the 154-inch flex edge track with 2.5-inch paddles for great flotation. Coming in at $15,799, this is one of the best values available on the snow. In 3rd place is the Skidoo Adrenaline 600R with the Edge package. Key features of the Edge package include the shot starter system, a 34-inch ski stance, shortened tunnel, and the flex edge track, which helps riders roll the sled to get it on edge. In 2nd place is the Polaris 650 Pro-RMK. This is the lightest, most balanced, and easy to ride mountain sled available in 2024. Its 650 Patriot engine provides plenty of power. I would go with the 155 by 2.75 inch Series 8 track to get the Quick Drive 2 belt drive system for quick response. You also get the 36-inch React front suspension, which makes initiating side hills easy. The 7S display with ride tracking and group ride is also highly recommended. My number 1 choice, and the sled I would go buy right now if I wanted a 600, would be the Polaris 650 Khaos /146. The Khaos provides a more playful ride with lighter steering and more front-end lift. The shorter 146-inch track and tunnel also add to its fun ride characteristics, and the Walker Evans high-low shocks are some of the best available. And again, go for the 7S display.
We're going to be heading back up into this area soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. Hey, check out this video up here if you're thinking about upgrading to an 850, but you want a more affordable option.